Today's episode is dedicated to the wait until the new season premieres of the shows that I watch. So for me, it would be The Arrow, The Flash, The Vampire Diaries, The Originals, Game of Thrones, Sense8, and I'm sure there's a few more TV shows which I've forgotten to mention, but I just can't remember them from the top of my head. If you go to my previous video called The Channel Intro, you'll see a full list of the shows that I watch. I'm going to briefly be discussing a few reasons about the wait and how annoying it is. As soon as my summer holidays started, all the shows I was currently watching had begun to air their finales. So, midway in my holidays, I had run out of TV shows to watch. But the great thing is that some of the shows that I do watch have begun airing their trailers for the new season. I know that Arrow and The Flash, Gotham, etc. are due to air any time at the end of this month and the start of October, so I'm looking forward to that. I don't have much to do early in the mornings, which is why I wake up late. So when I do wake up, I contemplate, should I watch a movie? Should I rewatch a TV show that I've watched already? So I take out my iPad and I start watching YouTube videos. Some of the YouTubers that I watch are FouseyTube, Joseph Fousey, Boyfriend vs Girlfriend Vlogs, and Joey Graceffa's Vlogs channel, Miranda Sings. So deciding what to do out of a limited list of things to do is hard. I flick through Netflix's list of movies and I decide I don't want to watch any of them, and I read their synopsis, I read the rating, and I just don't have the time to invest more time into a new TV show. So, as I said in my last video, the Sense8 video, I rewatched Sense8. Because I have so much time on my hands, just before I go to sleep, I try to imagine a scene at the end of the finale and wonder what the characters would be doing now. That's how much time I have. I create a mini story for the characters in the show. Sometimes I even go on Twitter, type in the show name into the search box, and then see tweets of fans talking about the show. Sometimes I see tweets in other languages, at which point I close Twitter, I go back on Google's homepage and I type in the show's name, I click news, and I see what updates there are from the show. Spoilers, pictures, I'll take anything, I'm so bored, and I contemplate whether to rewatch all the shows that I watch already. But then I decide against that because I know what to expect. I don't want to be bored. I don't want to keep skipping because I know what happens in the scene and I know it's a boring scene, so I just skip it. And then I watch a 60-minute episode in 6 minutes. I've done that in the past and I hate doing it, which is why I don't repeat it. So that wraps up this episode, and I will see you next time on Thursday because I make new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Subscribe so you won't forget and you'll be notified as soon as the video comes out. And if you want to interact with me or other fans, just leave a comment in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time.